Today I want to show you how easy it is to install the Raspberry Pi OS onto the Raspberry Pi 5. All you have to do is take out this SD card. I'm gonna use an SD adapter that came with my microSD. Connect it to an external USB card reader. In my case, if you have a built-in one, you can use directly your laptop. And now connect it to your computer. Right. Once we connected the SD card to the computer, all we have to do is start Raspberry Pi Imager, choose the device, Raspberry Pi 5, OS, Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit in my case, storage, I'm gonna select the SD card, next. I do not want to apply OS customizations for now. Do you want to overwrite? Yes. We're gonna fast forward through this a bit. And it's done. Click continue. Once the process was completed, you have to simply unplug the card, take out the adapter, and plug the microSD card back into your Raspberry Pi 5. Now let's connect it and see if it works. I'm gonna get the adapter, plug it in, and connect the power. This is not the original cable, it's an external USB-C capable of up to 65 watts. As you can see, it's already starting up. I can actually hear the fan going. That's it. Now you have successfully installed the Raspberry Pi OS on Raspberry Pi 5. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.